Hello everyone, now in the dark forest with Klarus E5. Okay, here it's a new flashlight from Klarus. This one, ultra magnetic dual light flashlight. Okay, 470 lumens max, and for the weight just only 36 gram. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the box. Okay, and here is the flashlight. Here there are two types of LED. This is the round COB. Okay, for the light of the round COB, I think it's quite good. It's look like it's a bit warm light. Okay, and it's look like a high CRI LED, but I'm not sure about the LED. Okay, but the tin is quite warm and it is good. Okay, and it also come with red and blue light here. Okay, for strobe mode, something like that. Okay, and this one is a rectangle COB. Okay, here for the battery inside is built-in battery here. Okay, built-in battery about 450 milliamp. Okay, lithium battery, USB-C IPX4. Okay, here the mode. Okay, for the round COB, okay, there are about 5 mode: turbo, okay, 470 lumens, high 287 lumens, medium 70 lumens, and low 30 lumens, and red and blue strobe. Okay, for the rectangle COB, okay, just only 3 mode: high, low, and strobe. High 85 lumens, low 23. Okay, something like that. For the turbo mode of the main COB, the round one, it lasts about 0.7 hours. Okay, something like that. For the high mode, about 3 hours. Okay, here the beam distance is not far. Okay, just only about 41 meters for the turbo. Okay, and drop resistance about 1 meter. Okay, here. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, here let me start with the COB light. Okay, this one lowest mode. Okay, not good enough for walking around. Okay, it's quite low. Okay, this one about medium. Okay, medium. Okay, yeah, medium. I can walk around in the forest with this mode. It's quite bright. Okay, very good. And I think the beam, okay, for this one round COB, it's a bit yellow. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, maybe you can use it like in a tent, something like that. Okay. Okay, next we will go to high mode. Here, okay, high mode. Wow, high is very bright. Okay, but I can see things just maybe about 10 to 20 meters, something like that, not far. Okay, here. Wow. Okay, let's go to turbo. To go to turbo, you have to make 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, turbo is a bit brighter than high. Okay, here. Wow, very bright and very floody. Okay, good tint as well. Okay, this one very lightweight and slim flashlight. I can say that I can walk around in the forest with the high mode and the turbo mode. Okay, of this flashlight. Now it stepped down. I think turbo maybe it lasts about 30 seconds, something like that. Okay, here. Okay, let's go to the next mode. Here, this one. Okay, red and blue blink. I think this one is very good. Okay, because you can use it as a warning light. Okay, when your car breaks down, something like that. Okay, very good. Okay, here, very versatile. Okay, you can attach it at the back of your car. Okay, very good. Okay, when you click again, it will turn off. Okay, you have to click again to turn on here. Okay, this is low. Okay, let me go to rectangle COB. Okay, you have to press and hold the button to change the LED type. Here, okay, here is the rectangle LED. This one is white light. Okay, not warm. Very floody, very wide beam, but not good throw. This one is for short range use. I can see things about 5 to 10 meters, something like that. Okay, this is I think the high mode. There are two brightness. Okay, high, and then here I think low. Okay, low. Okay, low is quite low. Maybe you can use it in a tent or for reading, something like that. Okay, or fixing your car. Okay, double click to get strobe. 1, 2 here. Okay, something like that. Okay, you can also use this one as a warning light as well. Okay, I'll turn on again. It has memory function for the brightness mode, but not for strobe, not for blinks, not for turbo. Okay, here's the high mode of rectangle COB. Okay, wow. Overall, I think this flashlight is interesting and versatile. It is lightweight, and you can use it as a backup flashlight in your car, something like that, or in your house. Okay, in my opinion, it is not good for walking around the forest, okay, because it is quite small, and it's bright and floody, but not good throw. Okay, so I think if you want to walk around the forest, you should find another flashlight that can give you some throw. Okay, something like that. Okay, I will go to COB light again. Here, COB light, you see that? This one, the tint is quite warm. This is a good thing. Okay, this is high. Okay, here you can walk around, okay, in the forest with this, but as I said, not good. Okay, because it's quite floody, but not good throw. Okay, but overall, I think this is a good and versatile flashlight. Okay, very interesting. Red and blue blink is very good. Okay, very useful. Okay, I like the tint of this COB. I think its tint is quite good. Okay, quite warm, very good. Okay, I don't have the information about the LED. Okay, but it looks like it seems like a high CRI LED, but I'm not sure. Okay, but the tint is warm, and I think it's good. Okay, wow. Things for improvement. I think the position of the switch. Okay, it's quite a bit difficult to press, something like that. If possible, if Klarus can change the position of the switch to be here, let me show you, to be this position here. Now the switch is here. Okay, if Klarus can change the position of the switch, maybe something like this would be great. Okay, because it's easier to press the button. This one is quite difficult. Okay, and for and to access the turbo, okay, of the round COB, this one I think it's quite difficult to make 3 clicks. Maybe just 2 clicks is enough, something like that. Okay, overall it's good. Okay, it has magnet at the tail, the clip here, lightweight and very versatile light. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.